Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Seattle-Tacoma, where the local time is 11:18 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carrying items still until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We ask that you please use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from any items that may have shifted during flight. You may now use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices, however, laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check your seat pocket, the overhead bins, and the floor area around your seat for any personal articles you may have brought aboard. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account.
Sit down, please. Sir? Sir?
On behalf of Delta Sky Team and our global partners, and especially the Seattle-based crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you aboard today and look forward to serving you again. Thank you and have a great day.